enjoy it so much, you need to use a lot of energy to do it.
Excited. It's funny.
You need to run and then jump and then press the button, which make it fun when you need to press the button. And it also tells you can have a new record or something like that.
Or sometimes if you are tired, you cannot count up. But if you are not tired, you can count up easily.
The most difficult one is the ring. Because it moves, you need to use your leg to put your leg into the ring. I like it because that is how you look like in the future. If you play much of these obstacles, like you can be tall and strong like that. I'm in a party and it's very colorful.